episode, 16 channel, 8 zone amplifier, 100 watts each. By episode, comes with a manual, really nice packaging, dual fans, automated, you got stands, got the Phoenix connectors, nice thick wire. This light lights up. All the zones will light up blue. If there's a short in the wire, you'll get a red light. Being a 16 channel amp, you get 8 zones, all individually capable of being driven by a Sonos amp with a sub amp, or you have the opportunity to bridge, so you get double the power, 200 watts in 2 channels. And you have global A and B inputs, which are put in here, so you can have a Sonos product or some other music streaming, and then you can enable which sources. So you can have Sonos Zone 1, Sonos Zone 2, and then you can apply that to whatever zones you want with just this flip switch, and then additional zones can be plugged in directly into the desired zone output. We're going to have a total of 4 Sonos zones here with 2 amps stacked, and all controlled from an app with no reason to come to the rack. Rack ears are included with the necessary hardware. Goes into those screws. The Phoenix connectors are very strong with flathead. Really nice fitment with a nice satisfying insert. Each zone will have a clip light when your speakers are overdriven by the amplifier. Therefore, the amplifier cannot handle the load, and you'll get a clip light to protect the amp and the speaker from overloading. Amps get installed really nicely into the rack with a nice clean look.